Next video. In today's video I will show you how to continuously monitor for internet connectivity in native Android app. So firstly, what you'll have to do is you will have to go to your Android manifest.xml and you will have to add internet permission as well as access network state permission. Then I am using hilt for dependency injection. So inside your build.gradle.kts you will have to add this build script with this class path, and inside this module app build.gradle I have added this hilt dependency as well. At the time of this recording, KSP for hilt is still in alpha stage, that's why I'm not using it. But if you watch it in future and if KSP is already stable, then you should use KSP instead of KAPT capped. And because I'm using capped, I have to add this as well, and you have to add this ID for dagger hilt as well. Once you are done with this, if you see inside my activity underscore main, I have just taken a text view, and inside that text view we will continuously change its text depending on the network connectivity. So if you see here inside my application, so I have created an application class which is necessary for dependency injection of hilt. This has nothing to do with network connectivity. I have created my application class and I have referenced it over here as well inside our Android manifest. Next, I have created a singleton for our connectivity receiver class. So this will help us to continuously monitor for our network connectivity. So here you can see it takes an application context which I am providing, and I am just initializing it over here. And the reason why it is singleton is because it can be used anywhere and we don't have to initialize it again and again. Next, so I'll close this and this. If you check our connectivity receiver, I have taken a mutable live data of boolean just to check whether the data, whether we are connected to the internet or not, and I have taken another live data of whether it is connected or not. And first I have like the initial value is we are just calling this method of is network connected, and next we are registering our network callback. So if you see inside register network callback, we are monitoring for cellular as well as Wi-Fi, but if you want to add more transport types, you can add those as well. And I have just created a object of connectivity manager. Now the connectivity manager has registered a network call with our network request, and it continuously monitor whether the network connectivity is available or not. So if it is available, we post the value as true. If it is lost, we post the value as false. And if you see, I have created this method as well, is network connected. So this will immediately help us to gather whether the user has been connected to or not once the app is opened. So here I am just checking the active network, and depending on whether we have this transport of cellular or Wi-Fi, we are passing the appropriate boolean value, returning the appropriate boolean value. And if you see over here, we have to mark this as @entry point because we are using hilt, and we are injecting connectivity receiver inside our main activity. And here I have just initialized my text view as well. Now I am just observing this mutable live data which we have created. So if it is connected, then make sure the text is set to connected. If not, make sure the text is disconnected. So here you can apply your own logic. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you the videos because for a real device I am connected via Wi-Fi debugging, and if I disconnect my Wi-Fi, then I won't be able to show my device. And please don't test it on a simulator or an emulator because from what I have noticed, it doesn't work properly. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.